Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, we are continuing our PHP admin panel series. So now guys, in previous video, we have set up the front end side, which is about the navbar, homepage, title. Okay. So now guys, in this video, we are going to learn how to make a login system for our website. So now guys, let's get started. So let's move to our editor. Okay. So let me close everything and let's create one file, login.php, and include the header and footer, guys. So you can copy that from the index page, paste here, and this is my login. So now let us try to access this login.php. Perfect. So we have got the title, and now guys, let us just create the login form very soon. py4, here I am going to create a banner. Let me add bg secondary. This is going to be a login. Title, add a class, text hyphen white. So this is my banner. And now let me begin with padding 5, a container, then row, then card, the card header, where h4 tag, where login, and yep, let's go inside the card body. And inside the card body, we start with the form tag, and inside this margin bottom 3. And guys, I think I have missed a column here. Okay, so just add that column md4. Okay, and this card should be inside that column. Control X and paste, as simple. And then guys, you have to justify content center and then get back to your login form. So here my label, so email address, a simple input box form hyphen control, the input name will be email, and give an email here. So copy this, paste, and create for the password, and again password, copy, paste, done. And now one finally a simple submit button where login. Okay, login now, or just click login, and here we are going to add a class button primary width 100, and this button type it's going to be a submit. Okay, and give the button name as login button. Okay, so now guys, let us check the output once for this. I think we need to add here text hyphen center, so it will be in center view. Let's refresh. Awesome. And here just add one simple shadow, so add a shadow hyphen small sm. So now guys, let us begin with the coding part. Let's come here. Here in the form tag, use a method which is going to be a post method and action to login hyphen code.php file. Okay, so we are going to keep a separate file for login code. Let's create that login code.php file and open PHP, close PHP. So now, so first we'll copy this login button and go to login code.php file. Check if the button is clicked or not with the help of is set function $_post. It is coming by the post method, so we are using that post. And now guys, we need to get the fields. $email equal to your validate function. So where have you used this validate function? It's inside this folder, guys. I mean, inside the config we have a function.php. Inside that function we have written the validate code. Okay, so we need to include this. So let's include that. Require where config /function.php. So inside this function only we have included the database connections also. And now guys, you can get the email ID from that input box submitted, and here for the password Let's copy paste here. Okay, and now guys, there is one sanitization in PHP. So let me just change this variable as email input and password input, and now create a variable email equal to filter variable where you'll pass this dollar email input. Okay, so we are passing this email input and tell filter sanitize email. Okay, so same way for the password, not email, instead it is going to be a string. Here we paste, and this is showing like, okay, filter sanitize string is deprecated. So in PHP 8, and now mention the password, and then, so first step, I'm going to check whether the inputs are, the value is empty or not. So email not equal to null, and again dollar password not equal to null. If it is null, then you're going to redirect them. Okay, redirect where? To login.php file with the message all fields are mandatory. Okay, and semicolon, query here equal to where you'll tell select star from the users table. So let me just show you the user table. Here are the users table, guys, and these are the user records which we have created from the admin dashboard. And now we are going to validate this email and password. So let's get back, select star from user where your email column equal to inside single quotes dollar email. Okay, let me just zoom it. Okay, and user password equal to single quotes, that is dollar password. And you need to add a limit here, so at once only one record should be logged in. And now whatever the results comes by executing this above query dollar connection and then your query. So now guys, if the query is missing or something goes wrong, you can just check. If the status is true, means it will come in, else it is going to tell something went wrong in your query. So let us copy and paste here and tell something went wrong. Okay, so guys, if the query is successful but your data doesn't have, so for that you can just use this MySQL number of rows function. MySQL number of rows function, inside that you check the result which is double equal to 1. If only one record, then you're going to show, else you can tell like, again redirect. So let me copy and paste here, and you should tell in invalid email ID or password. So dollar row equal to get the data MySQLi underscore fetch array where you'll pass the result. Inside that result you get your MySQL associate data. Now guys, you can check if the row of your role double equal to where admin, you can tell yes, he's admin, else you can again put him and mention that logged in successfully. Okay, so both case you are going to log in, and here, and this is going to be on the index page, and here it's going inside the admin / index.php. Okay, so let me just show you that dashboard. So once you log in, you should move to this admin / index.php file. Okay, so this dashboard, so I'm pasting here. And now guys, let's set up the authentication using session. So Let me add a session here, session of. First we are going to check whether it is logged in, that is your authentication, which we are going to tell true. Okay, logged in true, or you can mention auth also. And let us copy and paste and tell logged in user role. It's actually $row. Let's paste here. So again copy, and this user, logged in user details. Okay, so if you want you can keep it directly, or you can add login user data also. So I'm going to keep as logged in user, and let's make this inside array format, so we can store multiple data here, like email of $row of email. Copy and paste. Let's separate by comma. I just want this name and make name. Okay, so now guys, one more thing, I just have added a banning system here, which is underscore ban. Okay, so if the user is true, ban is true, then he should not be able to log in. Let us add here if condition like $row of is underscore ban is double equal to 1. If is 1, I mean the ban is true, then you're going to redirect him. Okay, redirect him to the login.php page and tell your account has been banned. Please contact admin. Okay, and guys, if you want the normal user to be logged in, here you can set the session. Let's copy and paste here. Okay, save it. Let's get back, and now move to your login. Let's go to the login.php file. So I have two account here. I'll copy this admin@gmail.com and 123456 as a password. So first time I'm going to give a wrong password. Okay, hit enter. We didn't know what is happening. We need to set the message. So you can go back to your login.php and paste that message here inside the card body. Use that echo, use the alert message function, and make sure you have included the functions.php in your header.php file. So let us go inside that. Okay, we have not included yet, so let me just include it. Let's copy this and paste. Okay, so it's included now. Let's close it. Let's get back to the login page. Okay, so whatever message we get, we can set here. Refresh. Okay, invalid email ID or password. So as you have seen, and now let me try with the correct password 456, and let's log in here. You are redirected to the admin page. Okay, get back again to the login.php file. Okay, and now guys, I'm going to ban the user here. So let me ban. So I'm going to ban the user admin. So now if I try to log in admin@gmail.com 123456 with the correct password, your account has been barred. Please contact administrator. And now guys, let us unban and log in as a user. So paste here. So this user with@gmail.com is a normal user. Let's log in here. Hit enter. Okay, invalid password. Let me enter the correct password. 456. Okay, so once I log in, it should redirect to the home page index.php. So if I log in here, you see that it's redirected to index.php. So now guys, I have logged in as a user, but I can access the admin dashboard still. So guys, to make this authentication and secure, like only the admin should access, we'll be seeing in next video. Okay, so this video is already extended, so for that we are going to jump on next video and make the authentication system which is for user and is for admin. Okay, so guys, in this video that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.